Hello everyone, welcome to the TechBoxer YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to convert the single object JSON into list of values, okay, and how to convert the list of values JSON into the a single object JSON. So this is a single object JSON. We need to pass to the transform data mapper as a input, and this is a response that we need to fetch that we need to form that we need to get from the transform data mapper, okay. And in another scenario we have to pass this list of values to as a input, and this is a response that we need to fetch, okay. I will show you the two scenarios. Now I will go to the my Salesforce environment. I will create a new transform data mapper. I will name this as a pj object to array of values. Select the interface type as a transform, and input type and output type will be the JSON. Click on the save button. So here I have the input JSON, right? So here in the input JSON section, I will paste it. Okay, and we will get the here also in the preview tab also in the input section we got the same input, right? So what we have to do is that, so we got the input, right? We need to form like this for the output, right? For that, what I will do here, this is a property name that we need to use, right? So I will copy this property name, and here first what value we need to get, first we need to get the name Michael Holmes, right? The name property. So here select the input JSON path name, and in the output JSON path paste the record values and use this pipe symbol, okay, pipe, and enter the value 1. Okay, that means this is a property, and after writing the this pipe symbol, okay, after writing this pipe symbol, this property will become a array, okay. This property will become an array, and in that array in the first index, so here in the Omnistudio, uh, index will not start with a 0, index will start with a 1 value, okay. Index will start with a 1. So after record values property, list property, I am using the pipe, means this is a array property, and in the array property in the first index I want this name, okay. So I will copy this output JSON path. So again I will do the field mapping for the industry. Select the industry field, and here record values, and give the pipe symbol, then type 2, okay. So the industry value will go to the second index of an array, okay. It will be stored in the second index of array. The next field is country, okay. Select the country in the input JSON path. Here in the output JSON path, we need the record values array property. After that type pipe, and then enter the value 3. In the country value will be stored in the third index of the record values field, record values array property, okay. And the last one is language, right? So select the language in the input JSON path. Here give the output JSON path as a record values pipe 4, okay. Now go to the preview tab and execute. You will get the response. uh, See, we got the response that we expected. See, the record values is a property name here. This is a list property, and in the list we got the this object name, object industry, object country, and object language, right? we got in a order. Okay, now I will create another transform data mapper to do the to pass this as a to pass the array of values as a input JSON, and that we need to convert into the object format, right? So I will do that. I will name this as a transform data mapper array of values to obj. Okay, select the interface type as a transform. Input type and output type will be the JSON. Click on the save button. So here now I will go to the transforms tab. Here I will paste this here I will use this JSON as an input. uh, so here I will, in the input JSON, I will pass this as a JSON input JSON. Now what I will do here, I need to, this is the input, right? This is the input. Okay, and we need to structure, we need to restructure and to make as a object format like this. We need to form this. Okay, for that what we need to do, copy this record values property name. Here we need to write the formulas for that. Okay, record values pipe 1. Okay, record values pipe 1 means this is an array property. In that array property I want the first index value. So what is the value which is present in the first index value? Michael Holmes, right? So this Michael Holmes will value will be here, and this Michael Holmes value will be, we need to assign to a property, right? For that I will write, so I will copy this name, right? Okay, I will name this I will name this path as a name name formula. Okay, and I will do for the other three values also. So in the second index, what value we have? We have in the second index we have industry value, right? For this one I will write the industry formula. Here this is a 3, and here it will be the 4. Okay, and in the third index we have the country, and in the fourth index we have language, right? So here I will name this path as a country formula. I will name this as a language formula for the language means this formula is storing the language value, right? So I will name this as a language formula. Okay, so this property will hold this language value, and this country formula property will hold the country value. Okay, and this pipe 1 means this is a list property, and after that we need the first index value, right? We need to use the pipe symbol. It means it is a array. It consider as a, it is an array property. From this array property I want the first index value. Okay, here also, and here also this is a, if you use the pipe property and the number means it consider this as a array property, and it will fetch the second index value. Okay, and here in the Omnistudio index number starts with a 1. Okay, not 0. Okay, you need to use the 1. Okay, now I will go to the transforms tab to do the field mapping. Click on this plus icon to do the field mapping. Country formula. First I will select the name. I will name the output JSON path as a name. So these are the formula paths that we have created here. See, name formula. Okay, this name formula will hold the name value, industry, language, country values, right? Okay, now I will select the industry formula. I will name this output as a industry. For that, I will select the country formula. I will name this output JSON path as a country. The last one is language formula. I will name this as a language. Okay. I will go to the preview tab to check am I getting the expected response or not. So I will execute. See, we got the response that we have expected, right? Okay, we have passed this as a input JSON, right? This is a passed as an input JSON, and we got the response. Uh, like we got the response that we have expected, right? I hope you understood this video. Okay, if you have any queries, please do a comment or reach out to us, and please do like, subscribe my TechBoxer YouTube channel, and yeah, yeah, that's it. Thank you, everyone. Thank you for your time. Thank you for watching. Keep learning. Thank you.